Hi, I'm Ayushi. Welcome to my home. So when you enter our house, the first thing you see is this shoe rack, which is of course not the fun part. The fun part is this nameplate. I got this made from Desi Drama Queen. I found this brand actually very randomly while walking through the streets of Khan Market in Delhi. And when I saw this nameplate, I was like, this is exactly what I want to get for my house whenever I get a house. And what is very unique about this is that ये हाथ से बनाया गया है. These are beads जो हाथ से बुनी गई है. So different beads को लेकर उन्होंने नाम लिखा है. And yeah, so this is again designed by me. The colors, and we've written "Enter a Vibrant Sanctuary" because as you see, there are a lot of vibrant colors in here. So this is all again designed by me. So this is our living area. This is where we spend most of our time. When we thought of setting up the space, one thing that we were very clear about was that we wanted a sofa which was multi-purpose. So this sofa is actually a sofa cum bed. It also has storage, which is great for Bombay homes. Apart from the sofa, we have a very nice teak center table. This is actually custom made from a local carpenter, and I actually saw this design at my sister-in-law's house, and I was very impressed because it has these 4 stools that can actually come out and people can sit on it, and when you don't want to use it, you can actually tuck it in. So again, utilization of space, which is great. And then apart from that, we have the TV. That's it. We initially thought of getting like a TV unit or something, but the space was getting a little too cluttered, so we kind of avoided it. We instead added these 2 planters here. And yeah, that's it. I just like to keep shuffling the cushions every now and then, like changing the colors a little bit. I'm someone who loves colorful things. I love things that are different. I love things that are unique. I love ruffles, scallops, and things like that. So I just try to like shuffle things up every now and then. And because this sofa is actually a solid light blue color, the vibe can literally change with like each piece that I put in here. Also, we've kept the whole wall very clean. We've not put any frames, no shelves, nothing, because this is a rented space, so we didn't want to put anything up on the wall, hang anything, and keep it rental friendly. And it also kind of helps me create different themes in the house whenever I want to. This is our dining space, and we got the dining table made from the same carpenter we got made the center table from. This is teak wood again, and we didn't want to go for a conventional 6 chairs dining table. We wanted to do 4 chair plus a bench, and that's because when we put chairs here, it kind of blocks, like the chairs block this space. I mean, they basically kind of create a division between this space and that space. We wanted to keep this open, so इसलिए हमने ये bench choose करी, because now if you see, the whole area looks like it's one area and not 2 different areas. And this mirror is actually one of my favorite pieces in the house. It's again custom made. I designed this mirror myself. This is tufted rug, and this is a DIY project in a way, because we got this rug frame made from a brand called Studio Surya. They actually helped me brought my vision to life. So I kind of told them a couple of things that I wanted to get a checkered black and white rug. I told them that to make it a little bit fun, I wanted to add colors. So we chose yellow and green. Then I wanted to give it a little bit more quirk, so I added these waves and the scalloping outside and things like that. So she basically made this frame for us, and then we stuck this frame onto the mirror, and then both the things onto the plywood. So it's actually a DIY piece, and I think it literally kind of changes the whole vibe of this space. And as I said, we've not put too many things on the wall, but this is just one thing that's there. And I also kind of wanted to put a mirror here because the windows, like when the natural light kind of hits the mirror, it kind of makes the space, number 1, look bigger, and number 2, it also kind of reflects light, so which is great again. So yeah, this is I think the favorite piece, and whenever people enter our house, this is actually the first piece that they notice. So all in all, we love it. the dining space extends to my workspace. So I've kept this IKEA's adjustable height table here, and I've tried to add a lot of small elements. Again, I really love this lamp. It's actually a Panther lamp from the Wishing Chair, a homegrown brand. And then I've added a little bit of elements here. There's a calendar. There are small decor pieces, decor accents. I really wanted to build a Polaroid collage somewhere in the house, so this space felt just right. And what we do actually is कि जब भी हमारे घर में कोई आता है, we take Polaroid photos with them and we put it here. So it's like a small memory wall of people who have visited our space, and just people who are close to us. And I just feel very happy looking at this memory board, because honestly, of course, we kind of click pictures on our phones, etc. But how often do we really revisit those photos? So these photos just help me kind of recollect all of those memories, and I any which way love collecting memories. So yeah, this is a really really important and favorite space in my house. तो हमारे घर का एक रूल है कि हम इस घर में कभी भी वाइट सीलिंग लाइट्स नहीं जलाते हैं. वी ऑलवेज लाइट अप द एम्बियंट लाइटिंग. सो यू वुड फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ लैम्प्स in our house, and I actually also love collecting lamps, and I have a lot of lamps from Fig Living. This is a really fun origami lamp. It's made up of paper actually, and I think it adds a really fun a really fun thing to the space, right? Here's another lamp from my lamp collection, and it's actually in the shape of a cloud. I love how quirky it is, how standout piece it is. Welcome to our guest room. I love yellow and lilac. So in this room, I've kind of mixed both the colors and given a little bit of pop of pink. There's this very nice shell pillow over here, which is again adding a fun element here. So I love checks and stripes. We have a checkered bedside rug here. We have checkered bed sheet. We have stripes wale cushions, and we have another checkered mug rug over here. So you would see that a lot in my house actually. And the theme is very simple: yellow and lilac with a little bit of pop of elements here and there. I have arranged the bedside table with flowers and books. And yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple actually. And I think in every room you would see a lot of unique elements. Like in this particular room, this rug I think is one of the unique pieces. It's again checkered with like pink, yellow and white, and it's kind of adding a little bit of element on the floor because there's literally nothing on the floor as such, right? So yeah, I just think that whenever I'm designing or styling a space, I always think how do I add textures and colors vertically as well as horizontally. So adding a rug on the floor really helps. And then there's a small passage here जहाँ पे हमने हमारी bookshelf रखी है. I've arranged them in like color wise basically, and yeah, and then you just enter our bedroom. So when you enter, you see this mirror here. इसको हमने सेम उन्हीं वेंडर से बनवाया था जिससे हमने बाहर का हमारा डाइनिंग वाला मिरर बनवाया. तो again, this was designed by me, and if I be honest with you, you see so many colors and so many designs here because I was very confused. I was not able to choose. So of course I went to Pinterest and I was like looking for designs and stuff, and I was like मैं कौन सा करवाऊँ? I love waves. I also love red and pink. I love checks. I love cactus. So Lise from Studio Studia actually helped me put all of this. She sent me a couple of designs, shuffling मुझे जो elements पसंद आ रहे थे, and then we finally kind of closed this design, and honestly I love it. Again, something which is such a fun popping element in the room. Then this is our cozy little bed. I love this duvet cover. It's very nice powder pink ruffled duvet cover. I've never seen this before, so I was very happy when I found this duvet cover. Then I've added a very nice white rug over here, and there are a lot of colors in here, blue, yellow, pink, and it's complementing really well with the duvet cover, I feel. तो ये मैंने actually बंजारा market में ढूंढा था. I think now I feel it was a steal deal and also a very unique find. So yeah, that's it. And then of course we have this very nice and pretty floor lamp over here, again from Fig Living. Shout out to them, because honestly I love their lamps. You would see so many of their lamps in my house. They have really fun quirky pieces, which is exactly what I like. This is again paper origami, and I love waves, as you can see. And that's it. Like, this particular corner is basically just plain, so I've just added one floor lamp over here just to add one, ambient lighting here. And then we have another lamp over here. It's actually it's called spring ball lamp. So there's like a spring situation, and then there's a ball over here. Now the final part of our home, the kitchen, जहाँ मैं सबसे कम आती हूँ. And honestly, kitchen को style करना सबसे difficult होता है, I feel, because there's so much stuff here. खाने की इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, उनको aesthetically सुंदर दिखाना और इस तरीके से decorate करना कि वो functional भी हो और अच्छा भी दिखे is very difficult. So I've tried to keep things very minimal here. If you see, हमने microwave के ऊपर एक छोटा सा planter रखा है, and there's a bread box. That's it. Above the fridge is also a space which is most ignored, but I have just added two little frames over there and planter and a vase. And I think just 4 elements have kind of really brought life to this space, जो सबसे ज़्यादा ignore होती है in my opinion. And यहाँ पे हमने एक weekly menu plan लगाया है जो हमने सिर्फ aesthetics के लिए रखा है, इसे हम कभी use नहीं करते हैं. And we have a lot of magnets here which we collect when we travel to places. Again, I love really fun, cute type के कुछ different unique say magnets. So we have this very cute little elephant that I got from Thailand. तो जब मैं magnets भी collect करती हूँ, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कुछ unique ढूंढने की. Then we have this bottle opener which is actually it says India, and it has a lot of Indian elements mentioned here. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more such content, subscribe to LBB Homely newsletter.